Dear students, I am your social teacher, MVM School, Yelahanka, Newtown. Children, today's lesson History, fourth lesson Nayakas, Palegaras, and Nada Prabhus. Lesson overview Nayakas of Keladi, Hiriya Venkatappa Nayaka, Shivappa Nayaka, Shistu of Shivappa Nayaka, most important kings, and Queen Channammaji. Next, another one Palegaras, Nayakas of Chitradurga, Rajaveera Madakari Nayaka, most important kings and ruled. Children, so Nayakas of Palegaras. Already we know that in second and third lesson, so Vijayanagara Empire came to under the rule of administrative rulings. They were Vijayapura, Bijapur, Keladi, Mysore region, Chitradurga regions. So all under the Vijayanagara Empire. After the decline of Vijayapura, Mughals and Marathas ruled many regions of Karnataka. Even with presence of these rulers, Keladi and Mysore states protected themselves well from them and continued the traditions and practice of Vijayanagara Empire. Mysore regions now also can continue Dasara festival, many culture. With this, Palepattu's hereditary kings grow in Chittadurga, Surapura and Yelanka, Bangalore, especially so that is regionally. So in this lesson, many Palegaras and Nayakas can rule. What are the contribution in Karnataka? Palegaras under the control of Vijayanagara Empire, there were many small kings. They are called Nayakas. Nayakas means chieftains. The place which were ruled by these chiefs are called Palepattus. Among these chief Nayakas of Keladi, Nayakas of Chitradurga are famous. In Keladi Nayakas, so founded in 1499 century during the Vijayanagara Empire period and later became independent. The leaders of Keladi were ruling the coastal and Malenadu regions of Karnataka. The Keladi provinces was large and prosperous. Keladi consisted of Shivamogga, Dakshina Kannada, Udupi, Kasaragodu, Kodagu, Hasan, Tumakuru, Chitradurga, Dharwad, Uttar Kannada area. Already you studied in these areas in 6th standard. So these regions only Keladi regions. Most important king of Keladi, Hiriya Venkatappa Nayaka. He is the Hiriya Venkatappa Nayaka. Started the ruling 1580 to 1629 century. Venkatappa Nayaka is popular among the kings of Keladi. Most important king also. In this period, the Keladi kingdom attained complete freedom. He took out of military expedition till river Chandragiri in the coastal regions. So he can occupying with the help of Queen Abbakka Devi, as it is Kittur and Channamma. He defeated the Portuguese in Mangalore. He defeated Adil Shahi forces of Vijaypur and established Victory Pillar in Hanagal. He encouraged all religions. Who is encouraged? Hiriya Venkatappa Nayaka encouraged. So another one king Shivappa Nayaka. He was also most important king in Nayakas of Keladi. He was started ruling 1645 to 1660 century. Shivappa Nayaka was a famous Keladi king. He occupied the coastal fort of the Portuguese and got the title Padagalada Lodaya. Padu Gada Lodaya. He built strong fort in Mangalore, Bekal and Chandragiri. Kerala, so that is nearest only. For the security of this kingdom, Shivappa Nayaka was a pious man. He encouraged the traders of Goa to settle in his state for development of trade. The Christians of Goa were experts in agriculture and he encouraged them to migrate to his state and provided land and other contributions. So can give the training to in Keladi people. He made a strict rule that the Christian's priest should be a local person. So famous in Shistu Shivappanayaka. Shistu means so that is disciplined person. Who is disciplined person? Shivappanayaka. The revenue system started by Shivappanayaka was called as Shistu. As for this, fixation of land revenue was based on the fertility of the land. So rainy can depend on rain and irrigation facility. So can fix it the revenue charges also. So about 1/3% of the production was collected as a land revenue. This systematic revenue system was called Shistu of Shivappanayaka. The Shistu system led to the development of Malenadu. So Shistu Shivappanayaka's rules so in helpful to the agriculture especially. Queen Channammaji, already we know that Channammaji. So what's the contribution? How to rule in Keladi region? Channammaji can started ruling 1671 to 1696. Queen Channammaji, the daughter-in-law of Shivappanayaka, took over power after him. She repelled the Mughal army and gave protection to the Chhatrapati Rajaram, the son of Shivaji. Channamma, the symbol of Velur and sacrifice of Karnataka, fought war even with the Mysore army. The Keladi kings built many temples, Agraharas, Basadis, Veerashaiva, Mutts, and Aghoreshwara temple in Ikkeri is the famous sculpture. The Mutts were centers of boarding, food facilities, and education center also. They contributed generously to all the religions, so it can encourage all the religions. Channammaji gifted land for a Christian's church in Mangalore. On account of continuous wars with Mysore and other internal wars, the Keladi kingdoms became weak. Later, Hyder Ali occupied the Keladi kingdoms. So next another one, Nayakas of Chitradurga. So this is also small kingdom. The Nayakas of Chitradurga have prominent in the Karnataka history. We know that Chitradurga means so there is a Nayakas. They ruled the chieftains from 16th century to 18th century. Many rulers can rule in Chitradurga. Most important, nearly 211 years can started the ruling. Matti Timmanna Nayaka was the first king of this Palepattu. Kasturi Rangappa Nayaka, Kasturi Chikkanna Nayaka, Bichachugatti Baramanna Nayaka, and Hiriya Madakari Nayaka. Most important and last king also. So next most important king, Rajavira Madakari Nayaka. He was a Rajavira Madakari Nayaka can started ruling 1754 to 1779 century. Rajavira Madakari Nayaka was the most powerful and popular among the Nayakas of Chitradurga. He ascended the throne at the age of 12 years. He helped Hyder Ali several times during the wars. He was a brave king also. But Hyder Ali became jealous of the Velur of Madakari Nayaka. In order to suppress him, Hyder Ali besieged the 7-ringed fort of Chitradurga. But it was an impossible task of occupying such an invincible fort. So Hyder Ali can try to occupy but not successful. Rajavira Madakari Nayaka was a brave king also. The soldiers of Hyder Ali tried to enter the fort after knowing the secret entrance. In the absence of the watchman, already you know the story, children. At that time, Obawa, the wife of watchman, killed the enemies with her wooden pestle on a cave. That secret passage is present in the fort now also, the Chitradurga, and it is called Obavana Kindi. Already we know that. Hyder Ali, who was the not prepared to accept defeat, besieged the fort of once again. Madakari Nayaka was defeated in the fierce war. Many waged war can continue, can face it, but Hyder Ali cannot occupied in Chitradurga. The dynasty rule of chieftains of Chitradurga provinces ended with the rule of Madakari Nayaka. The Chitradurga is an attractive hill fort consisting of 7 encircled forts. There are several temples and tanks inside it. So now also is there. The Nayakas of Chitradurga built several temples. The Bharamasagara and Bhima Samudra tanks are their contribution. The Nayakas of Chitradurga are known for their bravery and valor. Children, so this is the Chitradurga fort, Chitradurga 7 ringed king, so that is very beautiful. Children, I give the activity, so can draw Karnataka map and label it 30 districts. So this is the activity given, so can draw the Karnataka map and label it the all the 30 districts posted in a group. Thank you.